Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your Redmi 13. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels. So first, unlock your phone. Now after that, hold the volume up or down and click on those three dots right here. After you click on them, you'll see the volume levels. So here we have the media, notifications, and alarms. We can also enable do not disturb for how long. So for an example, 30 minutes. Or basically, sorry, this is silent mode. This is the do not disturb. Here we can also change it to, let's say, 2 hours. And now this is how we can easily do that. So now after we checked our volume levels, we can clean our speaker grill with a soft brush. So we have the speaker grill right at the bottom here, as you guys can see. Now we need to clean it thoroughly. So we need to make sure that there is no dirt, dust or anything in it. And after that, we need to make sure that we go to settings and that Bluetooth is either off or that your device is not connected to anything else. So for an example, your car, headphones, or pretty much everything. So disable the Bluetooth for the time of testing. Now, after that, if there are still some issues, then you guys can go over to the main page and go to About Phone to update your software. Now, as you guys can see, you can click either the update button right here or click to the Xiaomi HyperOS and you will see which update is here. So for me, I have an update to Xiaomi HyperOS 2. It released today for me, and now I can download the update and then it should fix my issues with speaker not working. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.